What made me want to join the Watsonville Fire Department is the fact that I was homegrown here. I grew up here, I spent my whole life here, and this is where I wanted to be. I knew that I didn't want to apply anywhere else, and that this was where I wanted to start my career as a fireman. When I started here, I had no fire academy. I came in as a paramedic, which is a requirement that you need. From there, I was able to go through the academy. I've been on structure fires, I've been on wildland fires, on vehicle accidents, a ton of medicals. Captains here, fire engineers, even firefighters, they take you in and they teach you literally from step one of how to load the hose, how to deploy the hose. It's a team style environment here. We're going to do it as a team so we can serve this community. And here you even get the chance to promote after a few years, and I've been lucky enough to promote to fire engineer now. What encouraged me to promote is the fact that you have captains here, fire engineers that support you. Whether you're experienced or not experienced, Watsonville Fire Department is an awesome place. You're gonna go on structure fires here, you're gonna go on wildland incidents. So if you're looking for a chance to grow as a fireman, come here.